Okay, kaya saan nasabihin sa inyo, yung pamilala mo na syllabus nyo na nasa blue book ay na-discuss, yun yung scope, kabuuan ng subject ng TTSC, kabuuan ng topic ng TCAL. Yung TCAL, halos naman natapos natin, di ba? Ang hindi lang nakuha sa last part ay yung adolescence, kasi wala lang tayo. Pero dun sa una, na-discuss na natin halos yun during the training. Alright. Ang FRCP natin ay sagad-sagad. Okay, so, ayun po, anong tawag natin doon? Fundamental Principles of Curriculum Content. And anong jargon? Basics. Ano nga ulit yung B? A, S, I, C, S, O. Okay, let's go now to curriculum as a process. Madali na pag-process. Ano yung process natin? We have seen that curriculum can be approached as content. On the other hand, it can also be approached as a process. Hindi tayo sasabihin mo ito, content, learning, and many others. As a process, curriculum links to the content, while content provides materials to what is the process provides curriculum on how